Do you think news reports about famous people are always true?
Well, I seldom pay attention to celebrity-related news, and when it comes to this matter, I neither know nor care. The notion of always true seems a bit too absolute for my taste. I believe many of these reports are fabricated, merely for publicity and hype. Nowadays, there's a constant influx of celebrity news, gossip, and various rumors, creating a dazzling array that leaves one bewildered. How much of it is true, and how much is false? Who can really distinguish? Moreover, regardless of its authenticity, it has no bearing on my life. Whether true or false, it holds no significance for me. As the saying goes, don't swallow everything hook, line, and sinker, a reminder to approach information with discernment.
Contact Dr. in England.